love living in Southlake, Texas, although there is one reason you may actually hate it, and I'm going to share that with you later. If you're looking for a luxury home on a larger lot and you love the beautiful trees, then Southlake is one of the best suburbs of Dallas-Fort Worth that you don't have to look out your kitchen window and wave to your neighbor. The average lot size in Southlake, Texas is over a half an acre compared to Frisco that is like under a quarter of an acre at 0.19. Many of the homes sit on 1 acre lots in Southlake as well as 5 acre lots for the estates. Southlake is just the right size. It's about 30,000 in population, so it's not so big that you feel like you're lost in a sea of people, but it's also not so small that you don't have all of the conveniences. When you live in Southlake, you're gonna feel like you have that hometown feel. The Friday Night Lights high school football, it's big, the 4th of July fireworks, and the town square events are all highlights of this town that give it that charm you have dreamed of. What to do in Southlake? Well, I'd say the best thing to do is eat. There's a plethora of dining options from fast food Chick-fil-A to cafes and fine dining. And if you're in town, you must visit Truluck's Seafood in the town square. And of course, the shopping is great, but Southlake is missing the high-end luxury like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, all of those stores. But it's just a short 20-30 minute drive away. Other than shopping and dining, well, there's Evo. Evo is a movie theater, bowling alley, and video arcade. And that leads me to something you may hate: zero nightlife. I mean, we're talking zero. Everything in the Southlake Town Square closes at 9 p.m., which actually for me doesn't bother me because I am asleep at 10 p.m. But if you like to hang out late at night, this is not the place for you. You're gonna have to go to Plano, Dallas, downtown Fort Worth, or Frisco. The only exception of this is Evo on Friday and Saturday night closes at a whopping 11 p.m. Do you wanna buy or sell a home in Southlake, Texas? Well, feel free to call, email, or text me, or fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below.